Let's talk about the recently launched Oppo smartphone A77s with premium design. Now let's talk about the specification of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.56-inch HD plus waterdrop notch display, with resolution of 720 by 1612 pixels and with 20:9 aspect ratio, with approximately 89.8% screen to body ratio, with approximately 269 ppi pixel density, with 600 nits brightness, and with 90 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel main wide angle camera, along with 2 megapixel depth camera. For selfies it has 8 megapixel wide angle camera, video recording 1080p at 30 fps and 720p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 12 operating system, based on exclusive version of Color OS 12.1 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.4 GHz quad-core Cryo 265 Gold plus 1.9 GHz quad-core Cryo 265 Silver, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 684G chipset, paired with Adreno 610 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 8GB extended RAM, and 128GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.8 by 75 by 8 mm and it weighs around 190 grams, and the color options, sunset, orange, starry black, colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery with SuperVOOC 33-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, with stereo speakers and a USB Type-C charging port, and NFC, and with IPX4 water resistance and IP5X dust resistance. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Oppo A77s has been priced in Pakistan for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 74,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Oppo A77s smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.